Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Today boys and girls, we are going to use our paints. We're going to be using a popsicle stick and we're going to make a popsicle, a rainbow popsicle. So let's get started boys and girls. Well, the first thing we need to do is to trace a lovely picture of our popsicle. I think I'm going to use a yellow popsicle like this. So I'm going to trace this over, getting a pencil, and just trace over this shape. I can leave it there. You can screenshot it, boys and girls, so that you can get a better shape for yourself, for your reference. I zoomed it in a little bit for you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trace around it. Like that. Maybe make sure that we trace along this side, like that, nicely, and then we're going to cut it up. All right, let's just get scissors. Cutting it around very carefully. So just cut with me, boys and girls. This is going to help you with your motor skills, help strengthen your hands, and help you as well with accuracy when you're cutting. So the more you get to do this on your own, the better it will be for you. All right, so we put this aside because we don't need the scraps right now. And we're going to I'm gonna hold it this side up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some paints to this. I think I like the idea of having maybe another layer of this, so perhaps we can do that if you have 2 sheets of paper or 2 sheets of card, and you just trim very, very roughly. It doesn't have to be too accurate, but you just want it to have this lovely shape here like that. And I'm going to cut this out and stick it on, stick the yellow paper on it. So just do that very quickly now, because I'm liking a popsicle supposed to be icy, so this is a lovely color. Okay, to depict that. I'm gonna curve this end as well, like that. Then I'm going to stick my mini popsicle. Let me just curve that end too. I would like to curve this end like that. Good. The other side is a bit curved too. Yeah, that's fine. And then I'm going to stick this down using my glue stick. can you notice, do you notice when I add paint, the glue, it changes colour? This is so fun. I discovered this when I was doing a project with the other class. And I said, what a fun kind of paper we have here. I think it's only with the yellow it does that too. So I don't know if it's the glue, the components in the glue that causes the colour to react like that, or whether it does that with all the, whether it's just the yellow or just all, it does that with all of them. So right now, boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the colours of the rainbow. So we're going to have red at the top of our popsicle. Let's just get some red. I'll just bring this a bit more here so you can see it. So we're just going to add some red. This is just normal watercolour. And look at how it's making that so nice. So we're going to have red. We may have to put this in layers, okay? And we're going to use that brilliant, lovely pink colour. It's supposed to be orange, but I'm just wanting to add pink to this and see how the colour reacts. So red, orange, but this pink. Putting the pink here. And already the card is made out of yellow, so I'll still put the yellow though. Some yellow. Let's watch. This yellow mixes up. Yellow. I want to add a bit more of that yellow there. A little bit more yellow. You see, it's not going to make much difference. That's why I chose this kind of light yellow. Let me go back and get it, because it's not making any difference. It's the same colour as the card. So let's just do it again. This time it will come out better. Like that. After yellow is a lovely green, and I'm going to choose that icy green that I have there. So just bear with me a moment, boys and girls. I've got this lovely kind of icy green. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to add some more. Can you see the red running all the way down? That's just so cool. So I'm going to add some more of that green, and then I'm going to add blue, and then we're going to add a little bit of purple. So let's just get that blue here. Little bit of blue, strip of blue, like that, and then we're going to add that gorgeous purple. I have this really gorgeous purple in another palette. I'm just going to go ahead and take it. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that make you want a popsicle right now, or ice pop? Oh my goodness. That's just so lovely. I know there's some children who like the grape colour. And this resembles the grape colour, the grape ice pop that they usually have in the office selling. Right, boys and girls? So I'm going to leave that to dry. And then I will see you when it's dried. There it is, boys and girls, lovely and dry. So I was thinking, it's a popsicle, it's usually icy, so why don't I use a lovely white glitter gel on it? So if you've got any glitter, use silver or white or any of those colours like that. So I'm going to go ahead and use a paintbrush. And I'm going to just pour some glitter, just a little bit, just to spread it around like that. Alright, that should do it. So we're gonna, if it could dry like that, that would look really amazing, but we're gonna spread it all around like that. It's already looking delicious, boys and girls. Oh my goodness, looks so scrumptious. There it is, boys and girls, all done now. Everywhere is covered with lovely, oops, I'll have to use another paintbrush because I've got some purple on it. So I'm just going to remove the purple. That's right, to make it, keep it nice and pure. There, wow, look at that. Lovely, lovely. All right, so I'm going to let that dry, and then we're just going to attach our lovely popsicle stick to it, and then we have finished. So boys and girls, last we have to add some glue to our popsicle stick so that we can attach it to our popsicle. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue like that. I'm going to be a little bit generous today so that it doesn't, I don't want it to fall over, go to spread to the edge, but anyway, just try to be, keep it on top. Alright, so we're going to raise up our, I want to see, make sure that you can see what I'm doing, and then you're going to position it to the center. So I would say about here, and then you gently rest it down like that. And then I'm going to put something really heavy on top so that it will stick to the cardstock paper. And yeah, I'll see you when it's dried. So boys and girls, you can go ahead and add some details, which is the googly eyes. So I'm just going to add some glue to it like this. Oops. And I'm going to add mine towards the side. I'm not going to put mine in the center like I normally do. I am going to be a bit different today, but you can put yours in the center if you wish. But I'm going to put mine a little to the side like that. And then I'm going to put a cheeky smile, just like that. And a little tongue out like that. And that tongue I am going to paint red. I'm going to take some of that red and just dab it on there. Perfect. And that's me done, boys and girls. I can't, let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see, have a better perspective of it. There it is, boys and girls, and I can't wait to see your lollipop. Please share with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.